In this Notion tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete an income source in the income database of this personal finance tracker. If you want to add an income in the income database, simply click on this plus new button right here. This will open up this pop-up window where you can enter the name of your income source. For example, let's say salary. And now just press enter. And that's it. As you can see, we have successfully entered the name of the income source. As we move along into our tutorial, now let's fill up the rest of the columns and start with the date column right here. Just click on the empty space in the date column. This will open up this mini calendar option right here. Here you must select the appropriate date, month, and year of your income source. For this example, I'm going to select the 27th of January 2024. And that's it. As you can see, we have successfully entered the date of the income source. Moving on to the amount column, here we must enter the amount of money we received as an income. Simply click into the empty space in the amount column, and this will open up this pop-up window where you can enter the exact amount of your income. For example, let's enter $500 and just press enter. And that's it. As you can see, we have successfully entered the amount of the income source. Moving on to the category column, here we must select the category for the money we received as an income. Simply click into the empty space in the category column, and this will open up this drop-down menu where you can select the appropriate income category of your income source. You can select from the existing category options, or you can create your own new category by simply typing in the name for your category. For example, let's type donations and press enter. And that's it. You have just created a new category of your own into this category column. But I'm just going to delete this category for now by clicking on these three dots right here, which will open up this drop-down menu. And here I'm going to select the delete option. It's going to ask for confirmation, and I'm going to select delete again. And as you can see, the donation option has been deleted successfully. Now let's select one of this existing option from this drop-down menu. I think the earned income option is perfect for now. And that's it for the category column. Moving on to the final column of the income database, which is the notes column. This column allows you to add relevant details of your income source. For example, tax ID, specific project name, or client details, etc. These simple notes can help you identify and remember specific details of your income source. And with that being said, we're pretty much done with the notes column. If you want to delete this entry from the income database entirely, you can do that by simply clicking on these 6 dots right here, which will open up this drop-down menu. And from the drop-down menu, simply select the delete option. And that's it. Now you know how to add an income source into your income database, as well as you know how to delete income source entry from the income database. If you find this Notion tutorial helpful to you, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.